Today is going to be a video in which 𝓢𝓸𝓬𝓲𝓪, my fiance and twin flame, is going to be making his Moonshine Apple Pie, and I thought to record him doing so. I thought you guys would really appreciate it, especially those who are into cottagecore. Now, the ingredients are already here. You're going to need double crust, pan, double crust, and pie crust, 1/3 or 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of gold meal all-purpose flour, if you have that here, then a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1 bag of apples, which we got 2, because you never know. And I'm pretty sure he's going to know how to make more than 1 pie. 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine, 2 750 milliliter 𝓢𝓸𝓬𝓲𝓪. Oh, this stuff. It is 𝓢𝓸𝓬𝓲𝓪, which is the moonshine. And then 1 of the 𝓢𝓸𝓬𝓲𝓪 𝓜𝓮𝓭𝓲𝓪, 1 gallon of apple cider. So that's pretty much all you'll need. And if anything else pops up, well, you'll just see in the video. Alright then, let's get to it.
Okay, this is the voiceover. How long did this take?
8 to 10 hours.
Okay, so make sure you have that much time to prepare this
And
because...
start it in the morning because I was up for 48 hours doing this.
Yes, and we were both so exhausted, but it was so well worth it. It tasted so amazing. Also, I'm not sure if we mentioned, but you do have to let this simmer for quite a bit until it's, almost empty, but not completely empty, because then you have to put in the mixture, and you'll see that later on.
Well, that's why it's 8 hours.
Well, yeah, but I thought to just explain that.
Okay, this bottle here, it's not in my recipe, but it's a sour apple schnapps I had laying around the house and decided to
It looks so radioactive
put it
on
in
here.
to help mellow out the sweetness.
Hey, let me see the bottle.
This is coolant for your car. No, I know it looks like it in the video.
It really does. It doesn't look normal.
No, a little sour apple, the Keppers. Because they would have to boil it all down.
Yeah.
But my pot's not big enough to add every ingredient, so we gotta let it boil down, then add more.
Also, upon pretty much boiling or cooking this, your house will smell quite interesting.
Yeah, it'll smell like a brewery.
Yes. So yeah, that's something to note when you are making this pie. But like I said, it does taste really good, especially for those who are not really big apple pie lovers like me, because I adore this pie. It tastes so good. And here, oh wait, what?
And make sure you have your vent on over your stove. Sadly, mine doesn't work, so it would help with the ventilation. But when you simmer the apples, when it's mostly gone after you put on all your wet ingredients, the apples can simmer for around 10 to 20 minutes, and it'll be caramelized. Then you take them out and then boil it down the rest of the way and add flour.
Yes.
The flour measurements are not
exact.
because I don't have an exact measurement, but you add it in as needed, depending on how thick you want your syrup to be for the apples.
Yes, and we were also making 2 pies, so I thought that'd be also worth noting. And I forgot to take a video, but you know exactly what he explained. You're gonna put the apples in there to let it soak and stuff, and then you're gonna take it out. And he also put it in the what the heck do you call it? The blender, to make sure it was blended thoroughly.
Yeah, because just adding flour to something that's like molasses does not mix well. So
Yeah.
make sure you have a big enough blender.
Yeah, or
And
even like a mixer would probably help too.
I find blenders are easier
Yeah,
because you can put a top on it.
that is true. You don't want to become like extremely
But yeah,
messy.
as you can see here, it's just like sitting at the top.
Yes.
It's not wanting to mix.
Yes.
And I was adding it in a bunch of times until I got it to where I wanted it to.
Mhm. Yeah, like watching you mix
I
it
think I
was
might
like
have put like maybe 3 to 4 cups of flour in
yes.
for 2 pies.
Mhm. Oh, but look at that mixture. I could just smell it again.
She's still eating a pie right now.
I ate like 3 or 4 pieces. Not today. But I have ate that much.
Wow, you're gluttonous.
It is very good. So maybe you do need to make 2 pies. Now all that is left to do is, you know, to put it together. And how long did you bake it for?
The recipe calls for between 40 and 50 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
But depending on your oven, mine, it got done like maybe half an hour.
Okay. So there you go, guys. So please comment down below if you do make this recipe and how it turned out and what you think of it. Both me and him would be really curious because, I mean, I really freaking love it. It's just, I can't stop talking about it or thinking about it now.
And if you have any questions about the recipe, please put them in the comments below.
Yes, we will definitely answer them. So yeah, I will stay quiet and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video.